ISO/IEC 27035 2023 Implementation Guide. Introduction, Overview, and why organizations need ISO/IEC 27035. Good day everyone and welcome to today's professional training session. In this video we will explore one of the most important standards in modern cybersecurity and information security management, ISO/IEC 27035, the international standard for information security incident management. This comprehensive implementation guide has been especially prepared by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, a trusted global provider of ISO consulting, certification support, inspection, auditing, technical training, and information security compliance services. In today's digital world, every organization depends on information technology. Businesses use cloud computing, enterprise applications, email communication, remote working, mobile devices, online banking, industrial control systems, and interconnected digital infrastructure to perform their daily operations. While digital transformation offers tremendous business opportunities, it also introduces significant cybersecurity risks. Cyber criminals continuously develop new techniques to exploit vulnerabilities in organizational systems. Ransomware attacks, phishing emails, insider threats, malware infections, data breaches, denial of service attacks, cloud security failures, and supply chain attacks have become increasingly common. The question is no longer whether an organization will face an information security incident. Instead, the real question is when will it happen, and how effectively can the organization respond. Many organizations invest heavily in firewalls, antivirus software, endpoint protection, identity management, and security monitoring tools. While these technologies are essential, they cannot guarantee complete protection. No security control is 100% effective. Therefore, organizations must prepare for incidents before they occur. This is where ISO/IEC 27035 becomes essential. Rather than focusing only on previous, ISO/IEC 27035 provides a structured framework for preparing for detecting, reporting, assessing, responding to, recovering from, and learning from information security incidents. The standard enables organizations to respond quickly and consistently, minimizing operational disruption, financial losses, legal consequences, and reputational damage. Instead of reacting chaotically during a cyber attack, organizations implementing ISO/IEC 27035 follow a predefined procedures, responsibilities, communication channels, and escalation processes. This structured approach significantly improves business resilience. What is ISO/IEC 27035? ISO/IEC 27035 is an internationally recognized standard developed by the International Organization for Standardization (ISO) and International Electrotechnical Commission (IEC). It provides best practices for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an information security incident management processes. The objective is simple: to ensure that every information security incident is identified quickly, managed effectively, investigated thoroughly, documented accurately, and used as an opportunity for continual improvement. Information security incidents may include malware infections, ransomware attacks, unauthorized access, data leakage, password compromise, phishing attacks, insider threats, social engineering, denial of service attacks, network intrusion, cloud security incidents, third-party supplier breaches, physical theft of IT assets, accidental data disclosure, system failures affecting confidentiality, integrity, or availability. Regardless of the incident type, organizations need a standardized response process. ISO/IEC 27035 provides exactly that. Objectives of ISO/IEC 27035. The primary objective of ISO/IEC 27035 are to detect security incidents as early as possible, minimize the impact of incidents, protect organizational information assets, ensure business continuity, improve communication during incidents, meet legal, contractual, and regulatory obligations, learn from every incident, prevent recurrence through corrective and preventive actions, strengthen the organization's overall cybersecurity posture. Why is ISO/IEC 27035 important? Every minute of system downtime can result in significant financial loss, reduced productivity, customer dissatisfaction, and damage to an organization's reputation. Without a structured incident management process, organizations often experience delayed incident detection, confusion regarding responsibilities, ineffective communication, slow decision making, increased recovery time, regulatory non-compliance, loss of customer trust, repeated security incidents. ISO/IEC 27035 addresses these challenges by establishing a clear framework that defines how incidents are reported, assessed, escalated, investigated, resolved, and reviewed. Now, organizations that benefit from ISO/IEC 27035. The standard is applicable to organizations of all sizes and sectors, including banking and financial services, insurance companies, government organizations, healthcare providers, pharmaceutical companies, manufacturing industries, information technology companies, cloud service providers, data centers, telecommunication companies, educational institutions, e-commerce platforms, logistics and supply chain organizations, oil and gas industries, energy and utility companies, aviation and transportation, consulting organizations, business process outsourcing companies, small and medium enterprises, startups. Every organization that relies on digital information can benefit from ISO/IEC 27035. Relationship with ISO/IEC 27001. Let us see this standard relationship with ISO 27001 standard. See, many organizations already implement ISO/IEC 27001, the internationally recognized Information Security Management System (ISMS) standard. ISO/IEC 27035 complements ISO/IEC 27001 by providing detailed guidance on managing information security incidents. While ISO/IEC 27001 defines the requirements for establishing an information security management system, ISO/IEC 27035 explains how organizations should prepare for and respond to incidents within that management system. Together, these standards provide a comprehensive framework for protecting information assets and ensuring organizational resilience. Benefits of implementing ISO/IEC 27035. Organizations implementing ISO/IEC 27035 can expect faster detection of security incidents, improved incident response coordination, reduced operational downtime, better protection of sensitive information, enhanced compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, improved customer confidence, stronger governance and accountability, reduced financial losses due to cyber incidents, better integration with business continuity and disaster recovery plans, continuous improvement of cybersecurity capabilities. How URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited can help. It's URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. We provide end-to-end implementation support for ISO/IEC 27035, including gap assessment and readiness review, information security incident management framework development, incident response policies, procedures and playbooks, risk assessment and incident impact analysis, incident detection, reporting and escalation process design, business continuity and disaster recovery integration, internal audits and compliance assessments, ISO/IEC 27001 and ISO/IEC 27035 integrated implementation support, management review and corrective action support, awareness programs and technical training, supplier and third-party information security assessments, certification readiness assessments, continual improvement support. Our experienced consultants help organizations build resilient, compliant, and effective incident management systems aligned with international best practices. End of part 1. This is the end of part 1. In next video, we will discuss part 2. In part 2, what we will discuss? Step-by-step ISO/IEC 27035 implementation roadmap, including leadership, commitment, project planning, scope definition, risk assessment, implementation phases, and organizational roles and responsibilities. Please contact us for the implementation of this standard. Thank you.